Today, we're taking you on a fun-filled adventure to Anderson Park at Sackville North, just an hour's drive from Sydney CBD. This farm is known for its orange, lemon, and mandarin picking, but unfortunately for us, the oranges were the only ones left. Looks like the birds beat us to the mandarins. Check out Ninong Eman showing his juggling skills with oranges. Who knew picking fruit could be so entertaining? Here's Wawa enjoying herself, searching for those elusive mandarins. It's all about the hunt, right? And look at Mummy, walking like a model through the farm. Fashion and farm life. We had a blast here, and the picnic experience was just the cherry on top. If you want to visit, remember to book through their website. Thanks for joining us on this adventure.